Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2006 Honda VTX1300 with 23,473 miles on it. This bike is in very good condition, shows no signs of ever being tipped over or dropped. Everything on it is real clean, as you can see by the gloss and the paint. The only thing I have noticed is there's a couple of little scratches here in the tank, as you can see. Tires are on this bike are in really good shape. You got a little spot here on the back from more than likely something being tied on the tail end. Could be saddlebag marks. As you can see, there's a new front tire on the front. The back tire on it's almost new, so plenty of mileage left on it. We'll fire it up here so you can hear it run and you can see the mileage that's on it. $23,473. I would have to say those sound like aftermarket pipes too. Unknown brand. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection and also comes with a 30-day unlimited mileage warranty at 100%. So thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.